Hey Lori, thought I'd make you this quick video to show you how to run that report that you were looking for. So all you got to do is go to your Infinite Campus, and you can actually see that I am you here. So instead of on the instruction side of the reports, you're actually going to go to Campus Tools. Then you are going to, on the left side here, go to Grading and Standards. And under Reports, you can see Missing Assignments. The best way that I saw to do this is to click on Term, quarter one that you want, and then type in the name of the kid. We'll do Carter Gearhart because he'll probably have missing work. So we'll click on him, generate report, and voila. The only problem is that you can't do like a batch. I couldn't find a way to do a batch for your entire class, so you'll have to do it one student at a time. So hopefully that does it for you.